And work it. I want you to push at least 3 strong steps, sit it down and come on. You stick. Don't run to it. Now, right. Good job. Think that. Oh, take off. Oh, that's right. There you go. Now, fellas, listen. That's your position. As violent as you can. You in the position. This puts you in the position. Right, the left, right. Run into it. Run and down. Good job. Yeah. Run to it. Okay. Yes. Run right. There you go. Okay. You left right of us. You left right of us. Very hard to do. Great job. You see? Now you gotta take off in there. Now right. Yeah. There you see how it is.
That shit look good, bro. That's the fuck that. I was trying to get to the keep it alive. No. You over there. Oh, yeah, right there. All right, so here.
There you go.
All right, let's rock, KJ. Hey, KJ, handle this part smoothly. It's not about how fast you run, but are you changing direction? Are you bouncing? KJ? There you go. When you rock in this bitch, this shit should be smooth. No, but your car is wobbly. That means that's not control these. Your car is just wobbly when you go. That part, your brake is eating it. De-wobble the car. He said, get out of the way, Coach. I'll show you. Good job. Good job, young man. Good job. You just got to slip in there, big boy. Everybody, water. Water, I get water. I got one more for you. Got a little bit more for you. That's how I go. It's all challenging breaks, man. Good. Let me see you. Good job, I'm just out here supporting. Hey, good shit, Court. Good shit, bro. Hey, nigga, that one. I want to just start you off with some of the basics. Hey, the ball. Like that. Now got it. You got to use your right foot. Be right. Right. Good job. Right. Yeah, right. Right and right. That's nice. Remember, can I be exact and precise? Can I stop right there? And then if I miss right there, I'm going to miss a little bit down there. All right? Let's handle it with a little bit of speed now. Let's see it. Got it. Got it. There you go, KK. Left right up. There you go. Now twist it. Got it. Now got that. Good job. Left. Sit it. There you go. Right there, you decide to stop, you stop. Do it. Now do it. Yeah, just trust it. That's good. That's a fantastic break. We gonna lean every time. So we gonna lean and go, right? Lean on it. You're running at them. So this is just a lean on. We call it waving at them. Hey, go. Good job. Run and lean like an athlete before that. Just run and lean. Lean. Sit. Good job, KJ. Hey, you take another step, KJ. Lean. Bro, good job. All right. That's what it should look like. Lean. That's it. I'm gonna make the stick hot. Yeah. Let's see how tight you can make the stick. Let's see it. Lean. Good job. We add a little personality to it. So now I just want to see, can you give head, eyes, shoulder. So that's all I want you to do now. Same exact thing. I want you to look at the quarterback. Roll in there. That's lazy shoulder. This one, boom, and come on back out as a staff. Right down the middle of the field. Look. Good job. Good job. Arms. Yeah. Stick. Arms. Stick. Good job. Come on in there. He's ready.
So this is left, right.
So this one right and that one left.
Yeah. So inside and outside.
Yep. Tap it. Work. Stick. Yeah. Tap it.
Hey, that was nice.
Stick. Oh, there you go. Yes. Yes. Work. Yeah. And take it. Come on, fly. There you go. Yeah. 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 I just press it. Get your arms up. Now give him something. Get right back on top of him. Yeah. All right, that's it. Arch! Yes! Say, Arch! Yes, Arch! Hey, good job! Arch! Yes! Say, Arch! 1, 2, yes, thanks! Good job!
Watch him step at once. And be smooth at the same time. Dip! 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 Look! Yeah, there you go. Give it to him right there.
Yeah, there you go. Good job.
This part, just lean him. Just lean him. Yeah. So, yeah, put yourself in the situation.
Good job. Good job, young man. Good job, young man. Let's see it. Everybody else, water. Stick. Clean. Good job, big dog. Good job. Let's work. Hey, now we're working left to the right. Hey, just so we can switch the break up a little bit for y'all boys. Here, let's go to the left. Get up on him, right? Now, I mean, I'm not doing this slow. It's pressure from the jump, and then it's a move. Pressure, a move, run away. Yes. Run at it. Good job. There you go. Okay, work. Oh, shit. All right. There you go. So on this drill, I don't care if you get it right. Let me see that you're running at a speed that you feel like you're going too fast, and still handle it. All right. So go. Yeah. Go. Yeah. And go. Good job. Yes. And there you go. Yeah. Yes. Take. Attack. Yeah. That's what it should look like. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. And fake. Yes. And fake. There you go. Yeah, Court. There you go. Just activate your arm. The reason you want to start running them, bitch, because your feet will literally get in this position, and now you can get into your movement position. Now, what y'all got to understand, when it's a body there, y'all got to treat a body like this here. His body, this the door, all right? There's a window right here. There's a window right here. On every move, I'm peeking in the window. Who's inside? You know what I mean? Every single move. So y'all got to finish the move with a peek. Let's get arms going about right here. His hands are there. My arms probably start activated now. I will get in choppy. I'm going to give something hard there before I go there. Right? On the run. Let's restack it here. Same thing. Last one. Head down. Finish your day on the deep ball. Yeah.
The opposite side of them, so you get the ball coming down at you.
Restart. Yeah, get there. Restart. There you go. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yo, 1, 2, 3. Nice.
There you go. Dip.
It was a good day to have my boy Chevy here with me, and all will be to God always, because we just be blessed, man. We just get these type of opportunities. We try to hit them full speed ahead. Beautiful day. We got the hitters in town. I got my youngin' with me, and we just try to give it what we got, man. And scene. Ha.